Open the lid. Place the reference block in the front left corner. Place a wooden board on the laser beds next to the reference block. Switch on your Vista laser, open the Make It software and click Refresh. Now you can see workspace inside of the laser on canvas. Select the corresponding material and thickness from the material list. Click Auto Measure. The system will automatically measure the material thickness. Import your design file. Adjust the size and position of the image. Click Image Processing, select the image algorithm and set the line density, etc. Then click Confirm. Click Material Preview to see the processing effect, or preview it with different materials. Select the image. Click Fill Engrave and choose your desired engraving effect from the matrix. The parameters will fill in automatically. If needed, you can manually adjust the settings. Click Start button. Click Framing. You can see the engraving area on the surface of the wooden board. If there is no need to adjust, click Send. Close the lid. Press the Start button. The machine will start processing, and the process bar will show the progress. Look at the wonderful creation you've made. Place a flat wooden board, then spread the leather evenly over the board. Import the design file. Click Edit Image. Click Crop if needed and then click Confirm. Adjust the size and position of the image. Click Image Processing. Click Filters and select Invert. Click Sharpness and drag the slider to 100. You will see a comparison image after adjustments. If no further changes are needed, click Confirm. Manually input the material thickness for more precise processing or click Auto Measure. Select all design pattern. Set the parameters like power, speed, pass and line density, or click Matrix to select your desired engraving result. Click Start. Confirm no further changes are needed, then click Send. Close the lid. Press the Start button. Now your laser starts engraving. How fantastic the engraving is!